Okay, this is what we started with. A friend of mine gave me these parts. The wagon bed had rotted away. He didn't have the brackets anymore. But these parts were still in really good shape. And he gave them to me, and I said I would try to make a new wagon out of it. So, I got a hold of a piece of 3/4 inch birch plywood. Really nice looking stuff. Cut it to all the proper dimensions. Okay, this is the bottom of the box after it's been assembled. Using old pictures, or new pictures, of a new wagon, I interlocked the side rails with a 1/4 inch dado, and on the end pieces screwed in from the bottom and bolted from the side. Here's the inside of the wagon bed. In order to get the right dimensions for the wagon, I used the side rails, measuring the side rails and the points where they intersect to create the proper dimensions. Okay, these brackets were actually available from the factory. Cost $10 for a set of 10. But these I made from a piece of sheet aluminum, cutting them to size and then bending them and drilling the holes myself. Okay, for finish, I've put 2 coats of satin urethane on the bed, and I gave 1 coat to the original side rails and left them otherwise original with the patina that's already on them. Now I'm attaching the brackets using the side rails as positioning points. One more item: in order to get the plywood to look like solid wood, we use veneer glue-on bindings. Glues on with a hot iron, trims off, and looks just like solid. Okay, using the wheels to position, I used 1/4 inch carriage bolts, carefully drilled and bolted onto the back. Okay, here's the completed basic wagon. Wheels on, looks pretty good. Okay, here's the finished project.